Sa mga first-timers na nanonood, pakilala ka naman, Lloyd. Ano bang ginagawa mo sa buhay?
Magandang hapon. I am an influencer. I really, like Sir Fitz here, yung passion namin is to invite more Filipinos, inspire them, influence them to become financially free. Just so happen na ang mastery ko is into trading, and I'm trading Forex. And at the same time, tayo yung pinaka most copied na copy trader in the Philippines with our copy trading systems. Meron tayong Izanagi, meron tayong mga medium risk and high risk na mga copy trading. Pero mamaya na yun, I really want to focus more. Dadaanan lang natin yan. I really want to focus more on the low risk natin, because that's where we want you to start para maintindihan nyo po yung markets na tinitrade ko. And then, as you go along, tinuturo ko po ng libre lahat, pati yung mga trading strategy na ginagamit natin. And everything is public. Kung nagpapakopy trade ka kasi, dapat naka-public yung trading performance mo. So, you can see it, and we're sharing to you the strategy for free kung gusto nyo pong matuto, because one of the best ways, in my experience, is one of the best way to achieve financial freedom is learning how to trade, especially sa forex market na tinitrade ko. Kasi alam mo na saan maghanap ng pera. Hindi na mahirap maghanap ng pera. Hindi ka na matatakot kung anong mangyari sa trabaho mo or whatever happens, kung magka-problema man in the magka-pandemic, etc. Alam mo, may market ka na, alam mo paano i-trade, and doon ka pwedeng kumuha ng pera anytime.
Kamusta ang 2024 mo, Lloyd? Busy ba? Marami bang nagawa? Marami bang na-accomplish?
Sobrang busy, pero sobrang tuwa kasi, nakakatuwa kasi yung community natin, which is Sir Fitz is part of it, we've grown from 2,000 users to 5,000 users na sa Discord natin, yung community natin. Mm-hmm. So, yung community kasi natin, andun yung gusto matuto mag-trade, yung mga nagka-copy trading, all the updates ng mga services natin is andun. So, sobrang laki ng community. And with that, so more than double yung community growth, dumoble rin yung kabisi natin. Pero it's a good it's a good situation naman para sa lahat, kasi that means that we are doing well and doing right with our mission na mas marami tayong Pilipino na matulungan, ma-influence, mapapasok sa forex, maturuan natin sila how to trade.
In your opinion, ano ba yung advantages ng forex market over other markets like the stock market saka crypto market? Bakit ba forex ang favorite natin na tinitrade?
O nga no. Actually, there are point of views na kung saan mas maganda ang different markets naman talaga eh. So, siguro sa perspective lang natin, or sa what I mentioned earlier na preferences na lang natin, bakit mas maganda para sa akin or para sa iyo ang forex trading. Let's say for example, sa stock market, kung preference nyo na mas low risk, mabagal, at hindi ka kakabahan, is that's the stock market is a good market for you. Like sabi mo kanina, nabuboringan ka. So kung gusto mo ng action, 'di ba? Yun yung sinasabi natin. So mas maganda sa forex trading kasi mas maganda action. What I mean by more action is mas malaki ang kitaan sa forex trading. Yun nga lang, mas mataas rin yung risk. Ganito kasi yan lagi. The higher the income potential is, the higher the risk is. So mas mabilis siyang gumalaw at more money for you. That means mas mabilis rin siyang gumalaw paatras rin and losses for you. So, medyo mas magalaw siya. But it's not too much. Hindi rin naman siya sobrang galaw at sobrang volatile naman compared to gold na trading or kay crypto na trading na sobrang bilis naman na hindi ka makakatulog. So, it's just the right balance of action and relaxation. Yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang rason bakit maganda ang forex. And number 2 is, I would say, yun nga yung, that was number 2. Number 1 is, biggest reason ko is, in terms of opportunity, laging meron si forex. What I mean by this is that sa stock market kasi, ang stock market, may bullish market, napaakyat siya, and especially sa PSE, dun ka kikita pag umaakyat. But what if pababa? You're gonna be losing money. Or, kung papasok ka pa lang, it's gonna be very hard to start investing kasi maglo-lose ka ng pera kung papasok ka doon during that time. So during the bear markets, it's gonna be very hard to trade. So walang lesser ang opportunity during that time. So wala as a trader na diyan ka kumukuha ng monthly income mo pambayad ng bills, it's not gonna be consistent enough for you to income. Lalo na si crypto. Yes, si crypto maganda, nagbo-boom, pag nag-boom naman bonggang-bongga. Pero pag natulog naman yan, like say for example, during the pandemic and then hanggang 2023, late 2023 pa siya nag-boom ulit, meaning 3 years na natulog, 3 taon na wala kang kikitain. So it's not a consistent market enough for us. Pero kung titingnan mo naman si crypto, pag gumalaw naman, sobrang lakihan naman. So you just don't know when it will move. So in terms of in terms of consistency, weekly, kaya mong kumita kay Forex. Wala siyang bullish or bearish market because during the bearish market, let's say for example, si US dollar bumabagsak. That means the value is dropping against other currencies. Meaning, let's say euro against US dollar, umaakit ang value ng euro. Let's use peso, di ba? Pag malakas ang dollar, bumababa ang value ng peso, meaning may opportunity kay dollar. Pag si dollar naman ang bumaba, si peso umaakit ang value, may opportunity kay peso this time. So there will always be an opportunity regardless of what market it is. During the pandemic, it was the best market and it is still the best market still up to the present. That is the reason why we love Forex at dito kami nagte-trade talaga. Laging sinasabi po ng mga idol natin, ng mga mayayaman na follow where the money is, di ba? So, pinakamalaking market worldwide is the Forex market. In a day, nasa mga $7 trillion. Hindi mo na ma-imagine ano yung $1 billion, gaano kalaki yan. Imagine $7 trillion in a day. Money, worth of money is flowing through the Forex market. Why not get a piece of that pie?
I'll just leave these links and QR code sa ating screen para anytime pwede nyo siyang tingnan. This goes to my page sa fitzvillafuerte.com and it gives you the first 2 steps that you need to take if you want to get started with the Forex trading and also get acquainted with the Izanagi community. So ano ba yung Izanagi? What is it about? And how has it improved through the years?
Yes. Basically, ang pinaka-improvement ni Izanagi is that it's through copy trading na ngayon. It started as an EA or expert advisor or bot trading, you might call it, or other call it AI trading. But basically, it's a program where you put in your trading parameters. So ako, meron akong gusto na trading na technique, na strategy, yung mga technical analysis ko. Linalagay ko lang sa bot, ito yung hahanapin ng bot. And then pag nahanap niyo yung setup na yun, the program looks at the market 24/7. And then pag nahanap niyo yun, it trades that automatically. Okay? And then, since consistent na naman yung trading strategy namin, we tested this out with an EA and we're very happy na we're now on our 5th year na running na yung bot na yon, which is kinakopy ng mga Izanagi community, has been earning consistently. In fact, it is public and let me just share my screen if I can. So this is Izanagi's MyFX book. MyFX book is a third-party website. Dito nagkakaalaman kung magaling ba ang isang trader na nag-claim na magaling siya or hindi. So this is for transparency purposes. Ko-connect mo lang yung trading account mo dito and then the website presents it to charts and numbers na mas mabilis mong mababasa. Okay? It started January 18, 2021. Ang pinaka-importante natin titignan dito is the monthly income. Wala pa tayong data for 2025 kasi kakasimula pa lang. 2024, medyo hectic ang market but we're averaging at around 1% a month, which is still very good. That's around 12% in a year. 2023, around 1.5 to 2% yung profits natin. Every month po yan ha. 2022 performance is also here and 2021 performance is also here. If mapapansin nyo po, lahat po positive ang gains. Okay? So every month, it's very consistent na positive yung gains niya. Medyo maliit lang the past October, November, December kasi yun yung mga election months ng US. So very unpredictable ang markets. So binawasan namin yung settings niya, which is the key for Izanagi. Yan po ang kaibahan ni Izanagi. If you're already familiar with EAs and fund management na mga copy trading na automated, ang susi po, the reason why Izanagi is the longest running, pinakamatagal na nagra-run na EA, not just in the Philippines, alright, and most copied in the Philippines, is because hindi lang po ang bot ang tumatakbo niyan. We are constantly monitoring it and adjusting it depending on the market conditions. Kasi the reason why ang daming EA na nasusunog, ang pangit nga ng pangalan ng EA. We were able to break that anong tawag dyan? Impression ng
misconception.
EA. Misconception, is because ang pinakapangit niya talaga is with a certain market, yung normal lang ng market, it should work well. But there are so many, the market is dynamic, so many bad news, good news, ang daming mga bagay na nagpapagalaw ng market that the EA or the bot does not understand. Okay? So, pag tinrade niya yung pangit ng market na yun, let's say for example, last year, the worst was when Trump won, US dollar became strong suddenly, and then other value ng currencies went down so fast. So, ang daming nasusunog. Right? Sa amin, we adjust the settings of the bot before the news. We don't like to trade the news. So, may nagbabantay sa team natin, uy, may news na paparating. So, we adjust the settings, linelesser natin yung mga trade sizes niya, etc. lahat, so that it is consistent. And that's the key for Izanagi. It is monitored full-time by real traders. And that's the reason why hanggang ngayon, it is very consistent.
Yun, no? I would like to address some of the points na sinabi mo. So, unang-una, itong Izanagi, it's more than just the bot. I believe that it is actually a community, no? Talagang siya, grupo of like-minded individuals who really want to achieve financial freedom through forex trading, and being part of the Izanagi community means having access not just dun sa copy trading and itong mga forex trading, I would say, opportunities to earn, but also interaction with other forex traders and being able to pick the brains of other forex traders inside the Discord channel or the Discord community. But also sinabi mo na in recent years, talagang nag-improve na siya. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng sabihin na EA lang eh. I understand kasi dati, bumibili din ako ng EA or yung robot sa forex trading kasi one of the unique offerings ng isang forex trader yon na i-install mo lang yung bot doon sa platform mo tapos siya na mag-isa yung magti-trade, no? But as we mentioned, na pag nag-invest ka, hindi naman yon forever na tulog. Dapat minomonitor mo, nagre-rebalance ka ng portfolio mo, etc. And it's also the same with EAs. Hindi naman yan plug and play na paggising mo after a year, sobrang dami mo ng pera. Kailangan regularly minomonitor mo rin and also sensitive ka dun sa mga current events. And that is why I like yung ating Izanagi or yung automated trading kasi although it is automated, it is still monitored and managed by your team. Pero ngayon, mas madali na, super dali na kasi copy trading na siya. And it's just signing up with our chosen broker and ikakopy na lang kung ano yung ginagawa nung original na Izanagi account, which is what you showed earlier na it has been consistent na positive every month. And para sa akin, it doesn't really matter kung gaano kalaki yung kinikita niya. As long as kumikita siya, even 1% a month, that's still, as you said, 12% a year. Saka makakita ng 12% a year na returns, di ba? Mas importante yung consistency of returns rather than the amount. Because as we understand, the markets are unpredictable. Hindi natin we're not trying to outsmart the market. We're trying to ride through the market. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng labanan ng market, talo ka dyan pag kinalaban mo. No? It's just adjusting the sails of your boat so that you continuously move forward. Kahit na mabagal, may mga buwan na mabilis, di ba? But hindi ka malulunod, hindi lulubog yung bangka mo. Ano yung pinaka mataas na percentage na gain ng Izanagi in a month sa history niya?
History niya, 52%. But that was way back. That was way back when sobrang aggressive ng settings natin. We toned it down and we were averaging 2023 around 2 to 3% a month, which is still very good. So 2024 has been sobrang shaky na year. So we had to adjust and tone it down. So we were averaging around 1% a month. Pero ang actually si Izanagi, the main purpose of Izanagi is aside sa low risk siya na investment. So meaning low risk, maganda siyang lagyan ng malaki na amount since low risk naman siya. We're talking in percentages, 'di ba? Sa 1 million, 1% is 10,000 pesos a month na passive income for you. So that's already very good. But the pinaka-purpose talaga ng Izanagi is for you to, our mission is for you to experience our trading system. Okay? Pag nakita mo, uy, bakit consistent si Izanagi? Grabe naman mag-trades niya. What if susundin ko yung mga trades niya? That's the idea that we really want to share with you guys. What if susundin ko yung trades ni Izanagi? And that is where the money comes in this time. Because this time, kung ikaw na magte-trade, if you look at the trades of Izanagi, sobrang, pag nakita nyo yung setup, kung maganda ang setup para sa inyo, then you can put money in it. Diba? Uy, maganda yung trades ni Izanagi. Then I will duplicate the trade on my account na mas malaki ang setup. The purpose here is that we want to make trading easy for you. Diba? Ang pinakamahirap kasi na part sa trading is yung charting. Yung paghahanap ng setup. Diba? Ito yung charting mo, ganito, ganyan. So, titignan mo yung market, babantayan mo yung market hanggang sa makita mo yung setup mo. That's the hardest part of trading. Siguro nasa 95% ng trading is the charting. 5% na lang yung pagpindot ng trade and TP and then enjoy the profits, 'di ba? We want to take away the at least 80%. So, this time, si bot ang maghahanap ng trades sa market. Pag tinrade ni bot yan sa account mo, uy, may tinrade si bot. Bakit tinrade to ni bot? Tingnan ko nga ang chart. Uy, ang ganda pala ng setup. So, si bot na ng chart sa'yo 24/7 na hindi natutulog, that's 90% of the job. Tignan mo na lang yung chart. Uy, nagustuhan ko yung setup, nagustuhan ko yung trade ng bot. Ita-trade ko rin manually on my end. So, you're filtering now the best trades of the bot. And that is shadow technique, which is pinapakopya rin natin yan. But as much as possible, we want you to learn how to trade. But this time, mas madali na trade kasi kokopyahin nyo na lang ang trades namin. Is that easy? Kung mahilig kayong mangopya noong college, na bawal, this time, pwede kayong mangopya, nakikita pa kayo. That's the idea of Izanagi, basically. We want to make trading easier for everyone.
Kung zero knowledge ka about forex trading, of course, you can still sign up and then set up mo lang muna yung automated trading na low risk, no? And then go to the Discord channel and go around. May mga learning sessions doon, may mga discussions, and that's where you will improve yung iyong knowledge about forex trading.
Yes.
And then with the Izanagi na robot, pwede mong pag-aralan bakit niya tinake itong position na to, bakit niya inopen itong position na to, etc. And slowly, as you become more acquainted with the strategy, pwede ka na mag-level up from automated trading to also doing manual trading. Kaya sinasabi natin na it's really a community. Tapos, yun nga, may mga discussions sa loob ng Discord channel, sa loob ng community na nagpapalitan din ng ideas di ba? Na ganito yung ginawa ko, ganito, may nakita akong magandang setup, i-check nyo nga kung okay ba talaga, etc. And I can understand na if you really want to focus on forex trading as a main source of income, then the Izanagi community will be the best opportunity for you to learn kasi meron kang guidance, no? Hindi lang mentor ang makukuha mo rito, but talagang cooperation, collaboration with a community of forex traders. And I like yung yung interaction ng mga tao doon. Nagbabasa-basa lang ako doon pero natutuwa ako. And of course, if you're a busy person, katulad ko, hindi naman barya lang ang kikitain mo doon sa automated trading kasi ako on my part, in-adjust ko yung leverage ko, in-adjust ko yung settings ko, and I am earning acceptable returns pa rin. But I can understand if I want to dedicate more time to it and do manual trading, talagang mas malaki ang kikitain natin. So, the Izanagi community really caters to a spectrum of expertise ng mga tao. Kung zero knowledge ka, up to the really forex expert or advanced forex trader, there's a space for you in the community kasi kung talagang matagal ka na nagtitrade ng forex, may mga makakausap ka doon na talagang expert na rin at kayong bahala mag-usap ng mga sarili-sarili ninyong technique, mag-sharean kayo ng mga strategies ninyo. But for beginners, especially those with zero knowledge, you can always start with the low risk na sinabi ni Lloyd na nag-average ng mga 1% a month na return, no? And actually yun yung nakakopy sa akin because I am busy with other things, and I am, even if yun yung kinakopy ko, yung low risk na copy trading, I'm still very happy with the results because virtually wala akong ginagawa It's really passive income for me. Nakapag-withdraw na nga ako ng returns Yun yung holiday shopping ko. So, siguro iniisip nitong mga viewers natin, naku, may bayad siguro yan. Meron bang bayad maging member ng Izanagi community? Meron bang bayad para matuto, Lloyd?
Yeah, wala po. Once you, again, copy trading, copy trade lang yan, i-copy trade nyo lang po yan. Once you have your part of the services already, copy trading is free, wala po siyang upfront na bayad. Ang pinakabayad po niyan talaga is profit sharing, which is sobrang win-win kasi kung hindi kayo kikita, hindi rin kami kikita, 'di ba? That's why we want you to earn also. So naka-profit sharing lang po 'yan. So there's no upfront cost for
wala silang cash out, 'di ba?
Walang cash out. All you need to do is set up the capital para i-copy trade nyo. You can check out sa community. You can send us a message para makita nyo po yung performance for you to help you decide if gusto nyo mag-copy. And everything is free. Even yung pagtuturo namin, once you are inside the community and gusto nyo matuto mag-shadow technique, we are sharing that to you for free. All the informations that you need, even yung trades namin na kokopyahin nyo, ibibigay namin po sa inyo yan. You can get access to it for free para simulan nyo na pong kopyahin. Lahat po libre. That's public service po natin.
Ang pinaka-cash out lang nila is yung capital na ilalagay nila sa sarili din nila mismong account, 'di ba?
Yes,
hindi yun binabayad sa inyo. Basically walang bayad sa inyo to be a member, wala din bayad para matuto. Ang lalabas lang nila is yung capital for that forex trading na sa kanila din mismo 'yon. So sa mga again curious kung saan ba yung first step, so ito yung link natin, bit.ly/learnforexph. Pwede nyong i-scan yung ating QR code at i-share ko na rin kung saan kayo pupunta. Dadaling kayo niyan dito sa ating special page sa ating website. Special page, nakalagay dyan yung steps na gagawin ninyo. So naka-explain naman dyan na meron tayong two options. Yung manual, yung automated and manual nga. But ang first step is to sign up with a forex broker. And for us, we're currently using yung DoPrime. So I hope you follow us sa DoPrime. You can just click itong link dito or itong banner na to para maka-create ng inyong DoPrime account. And then after that, kasi ayaw namin kayong masyadong i-overwhelm ng instructions, yung next step nyo is to just fill out itong Google form. Tas we will reach out to you via email kung ano yung next step, no? So meron tayong step-by-step instructions. So via email namin ipapadala para pag meron kayong tanong, hindi malinaw na instructions, you can immediately reply back dun sa email. So if you also want, you can also give your Facebook account para pwede tayong mag-chat sa Facebook Messenger para mas real-time yung usapan natin. But also, we would like to request to give your DoPrime account just for us to check kung talagang nasa under kayo ng team namin. Kasi marami na rin tayong mga teams under DoPrime. So, hopefully, you are part of the Izanagi team namin ni Lloyd. So, if you can provide yung iyong DoPrime account number, so ilagay nyo lang dito. And then after that, you'll receive an email within 2 to 3 days kung ano yung next steps niyo. At wala kayong cash out dito sa pagsa-sign up. Again, ang i-ready nyo lang is yung capital for the trading. Kasi paano kayo kikita kung wala kayong ilalagay na pera sa account ninyo? Wala kaming access doon sa account ninyo. No? So, kayo mismo yung may handle nun. So, ano ba yung recommended na amount, Lloyd, to start sa Forex trading?
Yeah, ang sa Izanagi is $500 po ang pinaka-minimum niya. Remember, baka sabihin, this is the usual comment kasi especially sa mga bago pa lang kasi natatakot pa sa Forex. Bakit ang laki kaagad $500? That's around, with the current exchange rate, almost 30,000 pesos, di ba? So, bakit ang laki kaagad? Right? Kasi ganito ganyan. Di ba pwede mag-trade ng $100 lang muna, $200? Actually, pwede ka naman mag-trade talaga ng $100, $200 lang. It's just that, remember, Forex is risky. Okay? So, hindi lahat ng trades. Nakita nyo nga kanina, sabi ko sa inyo, a good trader, 50% ng trades ang tama. So, meaning 50% may mali. Diba? So, if kasi maliit ang capital mo, then that means you don't have room for error. Okay? So, $100, you have to basically be perfect in your trading. Kasi ganito yan, $100, mag-trade ako. Magaling na trader na to especially, what more if newbie? Magaling na trader, 50% win rate. What if sa first trade mo, mali, cut loss ka ng, let's say, 10%, $90 lang na natira sa pera mo. What if pag trade mo ulit, mali na naman, 80% na lang, $80 na natira sa pera mo. 'Di ba? So, magaling na trader pa yan. So, sa mga newbies pa, mas malaki po ang tsansa na matalo kayo sa trade ninyo. And that is the reason why $100, mabilis po maubos ka agad yan. Sa $500 with our trading strategy, kasi nag-average tayo, hindi naman unang bili natin, panalo ka agad. We need the room para makapag-average down tayo. That's the reason why $500 yung starting capital natin. So, $500, and then just to start. Then, let it run for 3, 4, 5, 6 months. And then, tignan nyo po kung magustuhan nyo, then you can add more in the future. Pag nakita nyo na okay pala naman pala talaga ang trades niya, even in bad news, pag may nakita kayong bad news, yan ang kagandahan kay Izanagi pala, hindi ko ito nadaanan kanina. Nakita nyo po yung performance kanina since 2021. Hindi ko lang na-emphasize, 2 giyera, we traded the pandemic, sobrang daming elections. Izanagi is already battle-tested. So I want you to start. And then, tignan nyo po, antayin nyo po yung mga bad news. Tignan nyo yung performance niya. Okay naman kahit sobrang bad news. Then, that should build your confidence and you can add soon in the future kung magustuhan niyo. But yeah, Izanagi's performance is already battle-tested. Sobrang ganda na po niyan. Again, I just want to emphasize, yung $500 po na yan, hindi po tayo yayaman dyan, ha? Remember, 1% on a month, 12% in a year. That means na sa $500, $60 ang kinita niyan sa 12%, diba? 2023, 20% naman, so nag $100. What is $100? Again, yung starting natin dyan, the purpose for that really is for you to get started and experience it so that you can decide in the future kung dadagdagan nyo ba or kung gusto nyo matutunan yung trading strategy niyan. Dun po yung pera talaga. Kung if you put time and learning it and copying it and do the shadow technique, andun po yung pera dyan. Or, kung gusto nyo, i-passive lang talaga on the low risk, then we're talking about mas malaki na capital. So, just start with the $500 so that you can test it out. And then in the future, kung gusto nyo dagdagan, that's gonna be very good.
May tanong dito si Alex, no, yung monthly VPS, 'di ba? Wala na tayong monthly VPS sa Izanagi, 'di ba?
Kasi copy trade na siya. So we're using DoPrimes on XM's copy trading na option, which is free for everyone. So no more VPS. Yung kami na bahala doon, no.
If they want to connect with you, Lloyd, saan sila pwedeng pumunta?
Yes, definitely. Follow me sa Facebook page ko. I'm very reachable in Facebook. Sa Facebook ako actually laging active. Facebook.com/BazaarLloyd. That is my Facebook page. You can send me a message there if you want to. Kung may tanong man kayo, anything, please follow me. Facebook.com/BazaarLloyd.